Have you ever been tired of annoying meeting experience, like air conditioner running sound, keyboard tapping sound, or try to appear on the camera together? Wanna have a quite enjoyable meeting experience? Here we come, Uniarch new product series IoT Unear A30 all-in-one video conference camera. Hello guys, I'm Daniel Felix. Let's start unboxing our all-in-one video conference camera. It's really easy for you to find out how to configure our A30. This is the all-in-one video conference camera user guide, and this is a USB Type-C cable. As you can see, A30 is narrow at the top, wide at the bottom. Also here at the bottom, you can find out we have rubber, so whenever you put it in the table, it's very hard to be tipped over. The elegant black body design makes A30 prevent for fingerprints and other dirty stuff. On the top we have the touch buttons, which you can see this is the mute microphone, mute video, and the volume buttons. We also have the circular status indicator with multiple colors that refers to different status. Yellow light means that the A30 is initiating. Red light means microphone is muted, as you can see. Then orange light means that the camera is turned off. Blue light means that the A30 is operating normally. Unear A30 also has 4 omnidirectional microphones array and a 360-degree high-quality wideband speaker which is optimized for voices. With 4 microphones, Unear A30 can clearly pick up the voice within 5 meters, and its embedded AI model with thousands of hours of data learning can effectively suppress common noises in the meeting room such as air conditioner running sound and keyboard tapping sound. Unlike other products, the principle of A30 is voice gain, noise suppression. It can also deliver the most clear voice when the noises are filtered out. A30 also supports full Doppler communication, which also supports echo cancellation. With these features, it can make sure that attendees focus on the meeting, and this improves the meeting efficiency. A30 has 4 megapixels high resolution and 115 degrees ultra-wide angle distortion-less camera. All attendees can be framed in and enjoy the immersive meeting experience. Unear A30 also has the function of plug and play. On the bottom of the A30 we have a Type-C port with only one USB connector. The configuration can be finished with no need to install any driver. It's compatible with mainstream meeting platforms such as Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meets. Now, let's look at how to use our A30 in detail. First, connect A30 to your PC or laptop, and then choose the meeting platform. Change camera to A30, microphone to A30, and speaker to A30 as well. Now, you can start your meeting. Isn't it simple? To provide you more choices, we also have a pearl white model, which is slightly different from our black model.